morning, everyone. My name's Ned Eakins-Dawkes. I'm from the University of New South Wales, and I'm going to deliver this Fundamentals of Photovoltaics tutorial workshop with my colleague, Dr. Shona McNabb. We've traveled a long way to Europe. We're really excited to be here today with you. And our school, the School of Photovoltaic and Renewable Energy Engineering, has a long name, but it also has a long history of educating in photovoltaics. So what I'm bringing you today is some of our materials and the way we teach our students on the fundamentals of photovoltaics. I work in high-efficiency photovoltaics, so I'm always pushing to try to make the most efficient cell, trying to find new ways of doing that. And Shona, I'll let Shona explain to you what she does.
So I'm working on a sort of special type of almost tandem cell, which is called a singlet fission tandem cell, where we look at trying splitting the high energy photons into two lower energy excitons, and then coupling them with a nice high efficiency silicon cell, so we can boost our QE in the high energy part of the spectrum and beat that Shockley-Queisser limit for a silicon cell.